Guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to create a faceless YouTube channel using PICTORY and CHAT GPT. PICTORY is an AI-powered video creation platform, and CHAT GPT is an AI language model that can help you write scripts and captions for your videos. By combining these two powerful tools, you can create engaging and high-quality content for your YouTube channel. Step 1. Choose a niche for your YouTube channel. Before you start creating videos, you need to choose a niche for your YouTube channel. This could be anything that you are passionate about or have expertise in. It's important to choose a niche that you're interested in because you'll be creating content around it for a long time. Once you have chosen a niche, you can start brainstorming ideas for your videos. Make a list of niches that you want to cover, and think about the different angles you can take for each niche. Keeping your videos fresh and interesting is important to keep your audience engaged. Step 2. Use CHAT GPT to write your video scripts. Now that you have some video ideas, it's time to start writing your script. This is where CHAT GPT comes in. CHAT GPT is an AI language model that can assist you in writing scripts and captions for your videos. To use CHAT GPT, simply go to the CHAT GPT website and start typing your script ideas. CHAT GPT will generate suggestions based on what you have typed, making it easy for you to create engaging and high-quality scripts for your videos. CHAT GPT can help you write scripts for a range of video types, including explainer videos, product demos, and social media videos. You can also use CHAT GPT to write captions for your videos, which can help make your content more accessible to viewers who are deaf or hard of hearing. Step 3. Create a PICTORY account. The third step in creating a YouTube channel without showing your face is to create a PICTORY account. PICTORY is an AI-powered video creation platform that can help you create videos quickly and easily. To create a PICTORY account, go to the PICTORY website and sign up for a free account. You can also click the link in the description that I provided for you. Once you have created an account, you can start creating videos using PICTORY's AI-powered tools. PICTORY offers a range of video templates that you can use to create different types of videos, including explainer videos, product demos, and social media videos. You can also customize these templates to match your branding and style. Step 4. Create your videos with PICTORY. Once you have written your scripts using CHAT GPT, it's time to start creating your videos with PICTORY. PICTORY's AI-powered tools can help you create professional-looking videos in no time. Simply upload your script to PICTORY, and the platform will generate a video based on your script. PICTORY offers a range of customization options, including the ability to add text, images, and music to your videos. You can also choose from a range of video styles to match your branding and style. Once you have created your videos, you can preview them in PICTORY to make sure they look and sound the way you want them to. Step 5. Upload your videos to YouTube. Once you have created your videos, it's time to upload them to YouTube. Creating a YouTube channel is easy and free. You can start uploading videos immediately. When uploading your videos, it's important to add a title, description, and tags to your videos. This will help people find your videos when they search for related topics on. Now you understand how to use PICTORY and CHAT GPT to start a faceless YouTube channel. Using the combined strength of these two AI-powered tools, you can produce captivating videos for your audience. Always pick a subject that you are passionate about, utilize CHAT GPT to help you write your scripts, and use PICTORY to produce your stunning videos. Then, publish your content on YouTube and start gaining subscribers and get monetized and earn money. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you in creating your own faceless YouTube channel.